get coagulate at the surface, sea surface water. Yes, sea surface water पे coagulate ऊपर में रहेगा, it is in a lighter one, it will coagulate phytoplankton and who will zooplankton. They will completely on the top surface, they will completely finish. Understood? And then I said sunlight reduces, and then some marine animals will engulf inside their body. It will go into the metabolism of some marine animals. Yes. Large level of what is an ecosystem destruction at the coast. Generally ये coast पे आ जाता है, घूमते घूमते it comes to the coast. Sunlight reduces, phytoplankton, zooplankton, what is an finished. और यही food system है, और यही नहीं रहेगा then the other cannot sustain. खाने के लिए सभी इसी को खा के धीरे धीरे, so it is eaten by other fishes by other fishes, big, and finally, so it is a great loss. They will get accumulated by diseases, biochemical changes, endocrine glands and circulation get affected अंदर में आपका. Yes, mutation problem, reproduction problem. Yes, mutation याद है ना कि there is a changes in the what is a meiosis and then the genetic structure disorder, error in the replica of what? DNA. Yes, biochemical changes, their behavior get changed. Yes, endocrine glands, mutation, reproduction, and it will be causing epidemic kind of situation into the river nearby the coastal. Understood it? Understood it? Similarly, some organic or mostly inorganic blast waters, ये भी हम लोग सीप में उठा कर लेके जाते हैं from the coastal area, dumping into the deeper ocean, not deeper, little away from the coastal region, and वहाँ के animals get affected by the hydrocarbons. और वो जब खाएंगे हाइड्रोकार्बन्स, when it will come there in the food chain, और ये सिंपली किस में आ जाएगा, ये सारा चीज कैसे चलेगा, how it will go through food chain and thereafter it will move food web into the water ecosystem, in the marine ecosystem. ये सब कैसे मूव करेगा, बायोकेमिकल चेंजेस मेरे आया, मेरे से आगे दूसरे में जाएगा, then it will lead to the what is in a food chain and food webs. It will completely disturb. So I said that oil get coagulated at the sea surface, reduces the sunlight, and then phytoplankton and zooplankton, they started finishing at the sea surface, and when they have been, some of the animals started coming to what is gonna eat this one, ये वही इसमें इनमें चला जाएगा, and इसके through food chain and food web से it started spreading what is in a diseases, biochemical changes in the every strata of the ecosystem, marine ecosystem at the coastal region, endocrine glands, mutation, reproduction. Understood? These are the problems will start coming into the what is leakage of petroleum and related hydrocarbons, and we have seen thermal water pollution, हम लोग कर चुके हैं. Understood it? Clear? So थोड़ा सा हम लोग ये चीज़ याद रखेंगे, ये लाइन हमेशा याद रखेंगे. व्हाट इज आई सेड दैट डिजीजेज आर कमिंग, बायोकेमिकल चेंजेस, एंडोक्राइन ग्लैंड्स एंड सर्कुलेशंस गेट अफेक्टेड, एंड देन म्यूटेशन, रिप्रोडक्शन, अंडरस्टूड, मेटाबॉलिज्म, ये सारी चीज़ें हैं.